Pharmacy 4th year, SSA College of Pharmacy. Today I want to share, today I am here to talk on a topic about a topic. Generally people feel shy and embarrassed to talk about it. That's my topic is about the breast carcinoma. Generally the breast carcinoma is of two types. That is a ductal carcinoma and globular carcinoma. Ductal carcinoma is the common and the globular carcinoma is rare. And the risk factors of the breast carcinoma are the following. The main risk factor is gene mutation and the age. The gene mutation, if the family background has the gene mutation in that one person and the other members of the family also screened in it, and the other risk factors is like radiations like the CT scans and the stressful lifestyle and the consuming the alcohol, etc. And other risk factors is about the age. If the cancer increases with the increase in the age in the person, and generally people think only females get the cancer, but it is not the true. The males also get the cancer. The condition is called the gynecomastia. The 1% of the males also get this cancer. And now I want to tell the precautions how to take by handling our active lifestyle and having a good balanced diet and food, and avoiding the radiations from the phones, smartphones and the silica rest, etc. and breast cancer. Females in rural areas, the females doesn't have lack of knowledge about the breast cancer. We have the responsibility to make aware of them about this cancer. And the general symptoms. The symptoms of the breast cancer is the area around the areola changes the color and the shape and size of the breast changes, and in the erected and inverted nipple is appears too, and color of the size changes from the orange peel color. So by self-examination and taking the proper self-examination, we can identify if that is present in our body or not, and we can also, people think that do I have an early cancer, or how can I detect it? By self-examination we can detect it by changing there is any alarming signs which I have discussed before. These are the alarming signs. By knowing these alarming signs, we can detect is there is any changes in our body, in our breast. By the above signs, we can identify that. By taking the clinically professional examination, we can take care by ourselves, and we all are also have the responsibility by awareness, making awareness to our mothers, sisters, and our friends also. And this is the second most common disease which is causing during these days, and this is the second leading cause of the death in females. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. As you all know, we have gathered here in order to spread awareness regarding cancer. So what is cancer? Cancer is an abnormal increase in cell division number due to loss of genetic control, which might be fatal with time if left uncured for longer time. As you all know, the theme of our today's topic is to kill cancer. So I will not talk much regarding treatment. We will be much focusing upon the cause. So there are three types of carcinogens. One is physical, one is chemical, and another is biological. Physical carcinogens include tobacco consumption, alcohol consumption. Physical carcinogens include long-term exposure to UV radiation, or ionization or nuclear radiation. Chemical include tobacco and alcohol. Biological might include some viruses, bacteria. Physical carcinogens. Those are tobacco and alcohol consumption. Tobacco and smoking. Tobacco can lead to oral cancer while smoking can lead to lung cancer. Smoking, people usually start smoking, especially the youngsters, students, boys. They start at very young age from 13. So what they think is, it's cool to smoke. But let me just say, brother, it's not cool to harm yourself. It's not cool to cheat yourself. It's not cool to cheat your parents. That the psychology where the development of cancer arises. So if that is treated, it can be useful to prevent the later stages of cancer. The other thing is tobacco. Basically the laborers consume tobacco. They need that instant gratification to work among themselves when they are working. And physical include ionization, nuclear radiation. Ionization, the industries are supposed to look at the overall welfare of laborers, and nuclear. As we all know, the tragedy of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Still today, people there, they give birth to students with disabilities. That is because of nuclear radiation itself. It was a war between two countries, but to be specific, it was a war between two leaders. But common people were the sufferers there. We miss that point. Common people, they till today they suffer. That is also a defect in mindset. And I can spend whole day speaking about types of cancers. According to WHO, there are more than 200 types of cancers. It can literally occur from your brain to toe and head to toe and your brain to rectum. But most common are lung, colorectal, breast cancer, etc. And there's a taboo I want to break today, that is we, especially the men of our typical Indian society, they feel that it's embarrassing to talk about women's intimate health, or you say breast cancer. Breast cancer, every out of 10 women, nearly 4 to 5 women suffer from breast cancer at any stage of life. But I'm glad to inform you that it can be treated when detected in early stages. So there might be a case when a child might be educated and parents might be uneducated. There comes a generation gap. It might be a case when brother can be educated and sister can be unaware. Same goes for women as well. There are type of cancer, to be specific, prostate cancer, penicle cancer. They need to know about this to help their brothers and sisters. We lack at that stage. So, if we break that taboo, the generation gap and the gender gap between birth, when we can be with them, when we laugh together, when we in our happy moments, but why cannot we take a stand to be in this stage with them? So there are other ways as well. The treatment might include proper exercise, and it's also seen that recently fasting has also shown great help in overcoming cancer. Better health, clean diet, and all these help in treatment of cancer.